Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Quizlet how to switch term and definition. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Quizlet app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is select that set that you want to edit, and once you select it, tap on it. Now on tapping it, you'll be sent to the set details. On the top you'll be seeing the three dot icon, simply tap on that, and now on tapping it you'll be provided with bunch of options, and on the top you'll be seeing the option that says edit set. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it, here you'll be able to switch the terms and definition of the selected portion. Now all you gotta do is edit it, and once done, simply tap on the tick icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once that's done, that's basically how you can do it. Now if you are using it from your desktop, log into your Quizlet account, open the set you want to edit, click on the edit button at the top of the set page. In the list of terms and conditions, you'll see the term in the left column and the definition in the right column. To switch them, simply cut the definition text and paste it to the term column. Once done, click save at the bottom of the page. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.